I put the manual on, or put the focus on manual, so we'll see what we get. Alright, I got a piece of scrap material laying here. And I want to clamp that on there, right there. In that corner. Clamp over here. Reach. Roll down here. Alright, so I should spot drill and drill the 440 holes. But we're sitting at 0, I'm going to take and plunge in with this. Manually. So, I'll start to spindle up. And then we're just going to take and plunge in with that. Now we're ready to go. So here we go. Materials on there. Here we go. That wasn't quite right, was it? I need to stop. Ports are off. And we got tool 1 in there. I'm going to come down and reset. I'm going to tell it to go to return to 0. That's not 0. 0 should be right down there touching. So now I'm going to go relative, and I'm going to go Z 1 inch. 1 inch. Oh, no, I can't do that. Relative off. I'm just going to have to go down with my 1 inch block and then put in a 1 inch manual. Manually override it. I can do that, I think. So first I gotta reset my control. Turn it on. Alright, something is up. Turn off. Turn on. My Z is not moving. Oh, I bet I hit the limit switch. Yep. Now it'll move. Alright, tell it to return to 0. There's 0, but it's not 0. And we'll come down with a 1-inch space block here. Right there. Now I'm going to tell it that that is 1 inch. One point 0000. Enter. Okay. And make sure it remembers that. Says it does. I wonder if my 0 set was wrong up there. I should go up. I'm gonna rerun my 0 set, which takes it to the it'll take it to the soft overrides, and then it'll measure that distance, and it'll tell it that that's where 0 is at. So, and I gotta go to return 0. It's gonna come right down to the, but there's a spot drill there, so return 0. Oh, gotta turn part on. Return 0. Alright, everything's at 0. I'm going to tell it to set 0. Set that point at 0. It's saying not letting me set. Set 0, 0Z. I'm confused. Well, I might have to cut away here and figure this out, because it's not working. I'm going to restart my software. It might be that. It may be that it's got a little glitch going on here. Alright. So I'll start the software up. And turn on the ports. Okay, everything's on, everything's zeroed. Now I'm going to tell it set 0, and what it should do is raise up to the soft limit, move over the soft limit, move into the soft limit, and it measures that distance and puts that on the first line. And I see right now I have to remove that first line because I restarted the software and I had taken that out, and it's back. So, alright, I'll try it again. Here we go. Set 0. And everything, it's telling me, is there anything in the way? Because once you start, it's going to go. Nothing in the way. Sometimes the software can be a little glitchy, and a lot of times if you just shut it off and restart it, it'll come out of it. Alright, so now I put that on the first line. So now it should come over here, come over, and then down. Come back to where it was. Right there. And I'm going to raise Z up before I start the program, in case it wants to do anything wild. And here we go. Maybe. Turn it on. That looks good. That looks good. All right. I think we're in business finally here. I need to get a cordless mouse out here. This cord is driving me nuts on this mouse. Winding around my vice handle and stuff over here. Okay, next is the peck drill for the 440 clearance, screw clearance, and it should shift to number 2. Actually come over here and touch this first. Alright. That looks good. That looks good. Now I gotta put some 440 screws in. Hopefully I got some long enough. Because they were counterbored down quite a ways. I might have to give it a shot of air. Yep, I gotta go to the air nozzle and give it a blast. Poops don't like that either. He's out of here. I did that over there so that he wouldn't get so scared over here. He gets really scared of the air nozzle. I don't want to scare him. Feel sorry for him. You know, having that kind of problem. Not being able to eat right. Not a good thing. Alright, I need a wrench for those. Tighten that one up. Tighten that one up. Oh boy, we're getting close to making chips here. I should go and, I took it all in one pass. I should go and put a finish pass in. Well, we'll see how the first one looks. If it looks alright, I'll leave it. If not, then I'll change it. Get the coolant in hand, because it's going to come down over here somewhere and then buzz around it. And it's only going to go around one time too, full depth and finish size. Up just a little bit. I like to leave it, sometimes I like to leave it with a 10 thou floor so you just snap it out and then divert and you're done. You don't have to worry about putting clamps in the middle like that then. Okay, try to get the vacuum cleaner hose over here without disrupting the fan instrument. That wasn't too bad. I think I'll leave it the way it is. It's leaving, you know, like a maybe 5 thou little floor in it. So I should be able to just peel this up and see it snapped off pretty clean. Over there on one spot there, it's got a little bit, but that's okay. It's only 5 thou, and it's taken deburr it, and it's done. Well, we did one. I don't know when the camera stopped, but we did one and finished it, and I didn't have enough material out on the end. So we're doing her over. Like I said, it's a nice thing. That's a nice thing about NC. You can do it over. You can waste a lot of material that way too, because you can just keep on doing it over. Alright. I was gonna get a touch screen for this. I got a touch screen laptop, but quite honestly, for a laptop, I would never buy another touch screen laptop. I mean, it's alright, but I don't know why I needed it, because I don't touch the screen anyway, never have. But I thought for my NC out here, it'd be nice to be able to just touch the screen and do away with the mouse. I wouldn't have to have my mouse then. But that's okay. Alright, look out, Pookie, I'm gonna get the air after it again. Oh, the chips out of there. I should probably move this clamp over a little bit. It's a little close. Tighten that up good and tight. Good and tight. Alright, now let's just move this over there a little bit so that doesn't bounce up. Alright, here we go. I think it pauses like that, moves to a position and pauses, because I have notes in my program. And it's a slow reader. Doesn't read my notes very fast, so it kind of hangs it up. what I'm doing. Or what I was doing. Although I could do that with just by running the graphics stuff too. Alright. Vacuum one more time. Okay, take these two clamps off. Peel it off. Take the screws out. You know what? How many? What has it been now? 19. This will be my 3rd year or 4th year. Anyway, of retirement. Guess what? I don't miss the place. I miss some of the people, but I do not miss that place. I sure as heck don't miss my boss that was out there. He was a real piece of work. But that's okay. Whatever. There we go. Just deburred a little bit on the buffing wheel. Then we'll go over and open that hole up for it to fit. Where are they? One off here. It'll be for this to fit in there. And then crank. I'm debating on whether to. Well, I think I'm going to put at least 4 marks in it, or every 10 thou, every 10 thousandths. It would be, let's see, 8 threads per inch. So when you crank it one time, so it'd be 125. So it'd be 125 around this. I'm just thinking about that. I don't know if I'll do that or not. All right, I'm gonna cut away here. Move back over to the mill. First I'll clean up the mess here.